Make a new reservation from... hang on a second. Excuse me. Hello, how can I help you? Yeah, absolutely. We do same-day reservations. How long will you be staying with us? Okay. And what equipment are you traveling in? All right. Any slide outs? I'm going to ask you for a license plate too. Love it. Very good. Now, do you have any special requests for this site? Yeah, we've got one with a campfire pit, one near the water. How about Site 54? And what's a good name for that reservation? Clifford, it looks like you've stayed with us before. How did you hear about us? Very good. Now, are you traveling with anybody else? All right, you're all set. Yeah, you have a good one too. All right, where was I? Oh, what could CampLife do for your park?